In this episode, we head to a private property in the Wimmera district in Western Victoria and just east of the South Australian border, around 300 kilometres from home. The property overlooks Mount Arapiles and views of Garrawerd on the distant horizon. The Wimmera region covers approximately 10% of Victoria and is a mix of arid plains and wetlands. The area was first surveyed by Thomas Mitchell in 1836. Wimmera is an Aboriginal name meaning boomerang, throwing stick or spear thrower. We have 200 acres all to ourselves for 2 nights. So join us as we spend a relaxing weekend with our 2 German Shepherds, exploring the property, cooking a roast on the fire and taking in the beauty of our surroundings.
So tonight we're using our fire pit because we're cooking a roast in the camp oven, but tomorrow we'll be sitting around that fire pig over there. So this is our setup. We have Nev the Nav, fire pig provided by the owners, and we've got our swags. Mine's over here. I'll be sharing with Zeusy, and Rick is over here in his swag with Zena. So this is where Zeus and I will be tonight. This is the 1400 like we had last trip, if you've seen that video. This time we have pillows because we stopped at Ballarat and bought pillows from Big W because we forgot them again. Wouldn't be a camping trip unless we forgot something. So yeah, pretty comfy. Lamb for dinner tonight. Hasn't been in very long, but we'll have a look. Ooh, that's a lot of lamb. wasn't that big when it was all wrapped up. There you go. Yum. That smells delicious. Look out, Bubba. Look out, Scoobs. Ooh. Oh. More pumpkin?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Gravy?
Oh, of course.
What do you want gravy on?
Everything.
It's a bit thick. Alright.
Well, yeah, just go on the meat and on the pumpkin. There you go, and the pumpkin.
How's that for a feed? Not bad, huh? And the
Oh,
lamb.
yum.
Lamb.
I haven't got there yet.
Tender.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. This is my view this morning. Oh, hello, mate. Oops. It's beautiful. So there's Mount Arapiles today. And I'm not sure if you can see. You can see Scooby patiently waiting for his ball, or not so patiently. But on the horizon, along there, are the Grampians, or the traditional name of Garraward. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to go for a bit of a walk and explore the property. while the sun's out. Saw a big roo up this way earlier on today. Luckily the dogs didn't see it. Come on, big dog.
Yeah. Here I come.
And there's our campsite. So this is damper that I made at home. It's just gluten-free, self-raising flour, some garlic powder, some cheese, some chopped up parsley, and some milk powder. I think that's all. So I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to see how we go. I see you there. Ooh, that's looking cool.
Not bad at all.
With last night's lamb fat still in the bottom, having cheesy garlic lamb tasting damper. All right, let's have a look. Crunchy. There we go. I think it's actually cooked. I think it's just the cheese in there.
Yeah, okay.
It's going to be a bit wetter than usual. It's got a lot of cheese in there. Fit. Good girl. Here you go. Fit. Good girl. We really didn't film too much on our second afternoon. We just spent our time relaxing, sitting around the fire and playing with the dogs. I know it sounds cliche, but being outdoors and reconnecting with nature really is an amazing way to restore that sense of peace and calm. And this was such a great place to do that. So these beautiful flowers were left in the little hut for us by the hosts or the owners of the property. The colour is just so vibrant. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. So I'm probably looking a bit ragged after a couple of days camping, but anyway, we've had a really good time here. Last night it rained most of the night, but we were snuggled around the fire barrel and it was toasty warm. We were toasty warm in our swags. I think I said it yesterday, but this is by far the best hip camp we have ever been to, and I can't wait to come back. 200 acres all to ourselves, and the surrounding bush and land is just gorgeous. Anyway, if you've made it this far, as usual, thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you on the next one.
Looks like old man Roo could have done with four-wheel drive coming up here as well. It's got in the soft sand and bogged down a bit.